Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here. My name is Millicent Zimane, but you guys need to search Andani Lo. You guys must be on this YouTube channel right now. I need to be going viral. Please like and subscribe, comment, share, do whatever. Do whatever. Don't dislike, man. Come on. Like, I've done this last year, so you guys can judge me. So, yeah, please, guys. I need this. I need this. I wanna be a YouTuber as a soccer player. Like we had a soccer game in South Africa here in South Africa, and it was a team named Morena Galaxy and Orlando Pirates that were playing. I hope you guys have a great night, great evening, great morning, whatever. Um, and I'll see you guys again when I do a dance video. Just now.